morning, ladies and gentlemen. Ken Hernandez here at Apple Chevrolet, coming to you on a very windy day with my pick of the week, a 2017 Premier front-wheel drive Blue Velvet Equinox. Let me show you what we're working with on the interior. Leather interior all the way around. You are looking at a sunroof as well. Once we get in it, steering wheel controls, and in those controls you have forward collision alert as well as lane departure. When we move over to the screen, navigation is also included, and when we go a little bit down, oh yes, we do have heated seats as well in this vehicle. Now, one of the best parts of this vehicle also is the mileage. We're looking at 13,820 miles, which is very low mileage on a beautiful vehicle. Let me show you the rest exterior of the vehicle. You see the chromed all the way around up top and on the handles. And when we come over here to the back, yes, it does have a power lift gate, ladies and gentlemen. You do have, you do have the cover. Very, very spacious trunk, and you also had split folding in the middle row. So those two seats right there can actually fold down. So if you have any questions regarding this vehicle, please feel free to give me a call. My phone number is 708-429-3000. Ask for Ken Hernandez and come on in and pick up this beautiful 2017 Premier Equinox. Thank you so much. You have yourselves a wonderful day. Bye-bye.